What is up, everyone, and welcome back. If this is your first time on this channel, I am Cody Pratt, aka Random Hero. So there is a way to heal your tattoos a lot faster than the more traditional way, and it's been gaining more and more popularity over the years, and rightfully so. It keeps your tattoo clean, covered, and protected all during the crucial parts of the tattoo healing process. And we're going to be talking about that starting now. If you've been getting tattooed for a while, you probably already know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, well, keep watching this video because I'm about to turn your world upside down. So the product I'm talking about is Saniderm. And it's basically like a second layer of skin that goes over your tattoo. And Saniderm specifically is waterproof, breathable, and latex free. And really the only problem that I've really seen or heard of with Saniderm is that sometimes people can have an allergic reaction to the adhesive part of the bandage. And really, it's pretty rare. Okay, so how does it work? So after your tattoo is done, your artist will dry your tattoo as best as possible and then apply the Saniderm. If applied properly, I tell my clients to leave it on for about 3 days. But different artists say different things, and honestly, it can depend on the tattoo as well. But generally, if you don't have an extra Saniderm laying around, you can just leave it on for 3 days before you take it off. And now that it's applied, the Saniderm is acting as a second layer of skin, protecting your tattoo from the outside world. And even though it's covered, your tattoo can still breathe, which is very important in the healing process. And you can shower and get it wet, although I don't recommend keeping it submerged for long periods of time. It's super flexible and really easy to move and get around. And it also protects against any leaking that your tattoo may do during the first couple days of the healing process. So, some things to remember. You still have to take care of and monitor your tattoo. Can't just apply the Saniderm and forget about it. Most times your Saniderm will start to form an ink sac, and this is just blood, plasma, and any excess ink that your tattoo is pushing out during this healing process. And another thing to remember, that if anything starts to look out of the ordinary, minus the giant ink sac that may start to form, you should take the Saniderm off, clean your tattoo, and if it starts to worsen, contact your tattoo artist and ask for their opinion. And then after the first 3 to 5 days, you can take your Saniderm off in the shower, wash it, and then start using any product that your tattoo artist recommended. If you've seen my videos before, you know I recommend cocoa butter, Hustle Butter, or Lucky 13 Tattoo Balm. And if you want to check those out, I have them linked below so you can go take a look at those. So all in all, Saniderm is an amazing product. However, not all tattoo artists use it as part of their aftercare regimen because it does cost a little bit extra. But if this is something that you want to use for your aftercare process, communicate that with your tattoo artist so that they can acquire some before your tattoo session. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever used Saniderm and what you thought of it. Don't forget to like this video by smashing that thumbs up button. And remember, you can help support this channel by subscribing, and don't forget to click that little bell to get notifications when we come out with new videos of tattoo education and tattoo advice. That's it for me today. Once again, I am Cody. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.